this video, you will be learning about words that affirm and words that negate. So first, let's go to words that affirm or adverbs of affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation are used to denote certainty or emphasize action. So, affirm, you agree to something. Okay, so examples of adverbs of affirmation are certainly, absolutely, definitely, precisely, positively, and surely. Now, these are just some of the adverbs of affirmation. There's a lot more out there. Okay, so let's take a look at this sentence. The adverb of affirmation that is not really appropriate for the given sentence. Again, we will be choosing the adverb of affirmation that is not appropriate to complete the sentence. Okay, so Jason will definitely, extremely, absolutely attend the party tonight. So what is the adverb of affirmation that is not that appropriate for this sentence? The answer is extremely. Extremely is a bit far-fetched or a bit, not really that appropriate anymore. When we choose the word definitely, it fits just right in the sentence. Jason will definitely attend a party tonight, or will absolutely attend a party tonight. And extremely is a bit too much already. Now let's go to the next one. The idea will really, definitely, or positively revolutionize the publishing industry. So, what's the adverb of affirmation that is not really appropriate for this sentence? It is positively. Okay, the idea will really revolutionize the publishing industry, or will definitely revolutionize the publishing industry. So this sentence is trying to give us that idea that there's that certainty na sure na talaga, sure na sure, really, definitely na. But when we say positively, positive, so it's just positive lang. There's parang malayo na siya sa pagiging sure, though positive siya. Okay, if you know what I mean. Now we will proceed to words that negate. Now when we say negate or there's a negation, it means to turn something down, or to deny, or to disagree, or to disapprove an action. Now we will have here adverbs of negation. Now what are those? We have cannot, hardly, would not, will not, should not, may not, and there's a lot more examples that you can find in page 251 of your book. So now let's take a look at adverbs of negation used in a sentence. Gerald will not be attending the party due to bad weather. Now the adverb of negation used in this sentence is will not. Okay, let's go to the next one. In this sentence, we will be choosing the accurate or the appropriate adverbs of negation that we should use in this sentence. Okay, I should not, may not, succumb to the temptation of sleeping all day long during rainy weather. So what's the appropriate adverb of negation to use in this? The answer is should not. It's like it's going to be a mortal sin if you succumb to the temptation of sleeping all day. Okay, may not, there's no certainty that you will not or you will succumb to the temptation. So when you say should not, there's that precision that and decisiveness that you should not really do it. Okay? So again, the answer is should not. And for your activity, in adverb of affirmation, answer exercise A, page 218. And for the adverb of negation, answer exercises A, page 251, and language in literature, page 251. Now, if you have any questions about the lesson and the activity, just message me on my Facebook account, TeacherDel Almero. So you will be answering this in a one whole sheet of paper, answers only. And this has been Teacher Del. Bye!